For better productivity, one monitor often isn't enough, especially when working on a laptop. That's why JSAUX created the portable dual-monitor FlipGo, which replaces 2 additional monitors. These are 16-inch 2K screens joined together. They can be used as one large screen, expanding your laptop display, or as 2 separate screens for windows you need in front of you constantly. This high-resolution monitor is perfect for various professions like data analysts, developers, crypto traders, and more. The screens can rotate to your preferred orientation, whether portrait or widescreen. Truly cool. FlipGo has built-in magnets and can attach not only to your VESA mount, but also to more portable accessories if you travel or just work in different places. There's the snap stand with adjustable height. Simply attach the monitor to it and you're set. Again, you can easily change the orientation. With its wide base, it's very stable, just like the VESA mount. The most portable option is the FlexFolio, which also magnetically attaches to the monitor. You can work at home, in the office, or the library with equal productivity. The monitor is compatible with Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can even connect it to your mini PC or Mac Mini, completely replacing a regular monitor. Even if you have a 27-inch iMac, an extra screen, or better yet, 2 can always come in handy. I think FlipGo is the best solution for this. This is the Pro version, and there's also a touch version. The monitor is lightweight and compact, so it takes up minimal space in your backpack, along with the FlexFolio. I've left a link in the description below the video. Working for more than 4 hours in front of a monitor is harmful to your eyes. Clip this monitor light directly onto the monitor to reduce screen glare and increase eye comfort. There are 3 eye care modes. Pick the one that appeals to you the most and adjust the color temperature and brightness for each light using the controller. Save time in the future, save the best combinations, and turn them on with just a touch. The light bar is quick to install on most monitors, whether they're thin, thick, or even curved. That's it, your eyes won't get tired now. The OBSBOT webcam will make your online studying and meetings more interactive because it moves with you, capturing every movement and producing the best pictures and videos regardless of the lighting environment. The built-in AI will ensure you're centered in the shot. The cam also features gesture and voice control. Save time, there are several pre-installed modes you can choose from in the app, depending on your activity. Like any other up-to-date webcam, it includes built-in noise reduction to minimize unwanted noises. What's new to me, OBSBOT is capable of shooting in portrait mode, which I haven't seen in other webcams. Finally, when you want some privacy, tilt the device down to stop audio and video capture. This can also be done using the app or the remote. Those whose work involves creating content know how having the right tool nearby eases the routine. This device here is a sort of controller compatible with various devices and accessories, from tablets to pen displays, professional software like Lightroom, Final Cut Pro, DaVinci, and so on, and all kinds of operating systems. By default, the 8 buttons have 30 preset actions, but you can customize them to over 50 actions. The ergonomic design allows comfortable one-hand use, whether left or right. The controller uses USB-C ports for fast data transmission. Now watch how you'll improve your working time. Create personal macros for your own use and place them on this controller to perform routine actions. Unlike conventional controllers, it has a 0.85-inch RGB pixel LCD screen on every key to depict the program, function, or any other software the key is dedicated to. It's not just about commands. It can also be used for building custom keyboards or input devices, creating portable gaming consoles, experimenting with various keyboard layouts, or testing different key configurations. These screens connect to the main control board of the baseboard via an FPC ribbon cable. The device should significantly improve your working efficiency. DJI's Mic 2, popular among YouTube creators, features a redesigned charging case with a secure latch, 2 wireless transmitters with built-in mics, a larger touchscreen receiver, and a new control wheel. It boasts noise-canceling technology, 32-bit float internal recording, a refined transmitter layout, and up to 18 hours of recording time. The 8GB internal storage and 820-foot recording range remain unchanged. This SSD ensures your data will stay with you. You can back up your important data while you're out without a laptop and track the transfer process on the built-in screen. And since the hard drive is rugged, it's made to endure the elements. Drop it or crush it and it'll be fine. No time for the gym? Work out right in your office chair while compiling the report for your boss. The FlexiSpot V6 allows you to get your daily dose of cardio while you work, read, play games, or watch TV. Without losing your posture, of course. The chair's back keeps your spine in a comfortable and healthy position while you're sitting. Additionally, it's possible to adjust the headrest, lumbar support bracket, and contoured seat. When it comes to exercising, the FlexiSpot V6 has all the features you need to get a great workout, from a digital display to track your speed, workout time, and calories burned, to 8 resistance levels to control the intensity. Lastly, it's said to be quiet, so it's open workspace friendly. This little robot called Rux will be your desktop assistant. It'll show the time, remind you of meetings, and transmit what's happening at home while you're away. The integrated ChatGPT enables engaging conversations with the robot and finding answers to your questions using voice commands. The operating system is open, allowing you to add your own functions to the robot. This pocket-sized flying cam will take selfies or shoot videos from the best angles in full HD. Use the app to adjust all the settings and control it with gestures. All the materials are sent to the app on your phone, where you can edit them and post them on social media. This flying spinner hovers and rotates 360 degrees in the air. Different throwing speeds and angles allow the built-in motion sensors to create various flight paths, perform tricks, and execute high-speed maneuvers. To recharge it, you only need 20 minutes and a USB cable. Laptops are awesome, but sometimes you still need a full desktop setup. This is a DockBook, and it's a solution for transitioning your work from a small screen to a large one. Now you can instantly connect your MacBook Pro to all your desktop equipment without handling any cables. Its solid machined aluminum body houses custom-designed high-speed electronics, transferring connectors from your MacBook to the back of the DockBook at an impressive 40 gigabits per second per port. Finished working? Just grab your laptop and go. There's no better way to maximize your MacBook's potential. The Totem 360 is a 360-degree camera designed to capture multiple people in the shot. It stitches images from 4 built-in cameras into one picture. No matter the mode, conferencing, hybrid learning, or surround, camera tracks and highlights active speakers, while the built-in AI tracks the participants, reduces noise, and shows everyone in the best possible light. Totem 360 has a 1/4-inch hole so you can mount it on a tripod. Sound quality is another area where the camera excels. Equipped with 4 omnidirectional microphones, every participant is heard with clarity, even from a distance of up to 16 feet.